How's it going, guys? It's K-Cars, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a new mod for the Challenger. As you can see, I have the box right over here. It's from ZL1 Add-ons, and I have been talking about it in my previous video, so you guys probably already know what it is. But anyways, in this video I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and basically just review it, talk about it, and then the next video I'm actually going to be installing it and basically going through the whole install tutorial with you guys and show you guys how to do it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I don't know if I already said it, but these are the side skirts from ZL1 Add-ons that I'm going to be putting on the Challenger right over here. So let's go ahead and open up this box. See if it's not too difficult. So it did take a while for this to actually get shipped to my house, and I was getting pretty impatient with it. I actually emailed them asking why it was taking so long, and he said that the side skirts actually take 7 to 10 days for them to actually build, because they don't just keep these things in stock. They actually have to build them when people order them, and I didn't read that, so that was my mistake. But anyways, this is what they look like. So I'm guessing that is all the hardware in there. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. It does look like it's a little bit scratched, but I'm pretty sure this is the part that's gonna be on the bottom, so you're not actually gonna see it. And this part looks really nice, so it's not too bad. Let's go ahead and open up the hardware here. I thought this stuff was already gonna be installed, when I got it, but I don't think it is. I hope the install is pretty easy. I watched the install tutorial on their website. It seems like you just have to use the lock screws and it just pinches onto the pinch welds onto the car, so it doesn't seem too bad. Got a piece of paper here too. Let's see if they have instructions. So these are not instructions, it's basically just the receipt telling me about my order and stuff. So let's go ahead and open up this thing. Yeah, so these are all the brackets that I'm going to have to put on the actual side skirts to install them. So yeah, I guess this is either the front or the back, I can't remember. And here's another one for the other side skirt. So yeah, the lock screws are already in the brackets, but the brackets are not on the actual side skirt, so that's what I thought would be. So yeah, it's basically like what I told you guys. These things just go onto the pinch welds. I'm not going to show you guys right now because I can't go under there. Whenever I actually do install these, I'm going to be using those ramps so I can actually go under the car and show you guys what I'm doing. But basically, let me see if I can use this little sheath to show you guys. So if this thing was the pinch weld, this thing would just go just like that. And then you would screw the screw in and this lock screw, and it would just pinch onto the pinch weld. So there's actually no holes that it screws into. It just pinches on. That's what I think. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to call one of my friends to come help me install these, because I might need somebody just to hold it up while I'm screwing it in, just to make it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and unwrap this and see what they actually look like. So like I said, the bottom is pretty scratched up, but that doesn't really matter because no one's gonna see it. What matters is the front part, and that's why they kind of put them together so that part doesn't get all scratched up. Don't really want to scratch this, so. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I'm not sure what these holes are for. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to watch that tutorial video on their website again because I forgot like which part is the front. I'm guessing that's the back because it's bigger. And I'm pretty sure they said the bigger brackets go in the front so it can like can slide a little bit. So yeah, that fits right into there. Then you basically just pinch these things onto the pinch welds. So yeah, it seems pretty simple. The only thing I'm not sure about is what these holes over here are for. I guess I'll find out whenever I actually install them. All right, so I went ahead and opened up one of these brackets just to see what size wrench I would need. And these things really do seem like they're good quality. So you're just gonna need a small little Allen wrench. Then basically you wanna put this, like I said already, you put this in the pinch weld and then just screw this until it's tight against the pinch welds. There's no holes, like I said, this just pinches onto it and that's how it stays on there, I guess. At first when I saw this, I thought there would be holes for it to screw into, but there's not. So overall, my first impressions about these side skirts from ZL1 add-ons, they do take a while for you to actually get them, but that's because they have to make them whenever somebody orders them. They don't just keep them in stock, so they do take about 7 to 10 days for them to actually make these things. One other thing is that the bottom part is a little bit scratched up, but that doesn't really matter because this is the part that people are actually going to see. And it does look really nice, and it has like a textured finish to it, which is going to look pretty good with the rest of the car. I think the diffuser might be textured. Yeah, it is. So that's going to match the diffuser. It's also from ZL1 add-ons, and so are these rock guards. So I think it'll match pretty well with the whole car. One other thing is that these little square cutouts are pretty rough on the inside. I guess they didn't sand them down or anything, but once again, it doesn't really matter. As long as these things fit in there good, then I'm good. I guess you have to screw this in first so it can fit. So if that's the back, this is gonna have to go in like this. And they also said that these can be used as jack points. These big ones, these ones with the square on the bottom. So then basically once these are in, you just tighten it up on the pinch weld, and that's basically the whole process of how to install these. So it seems pretty simple. I might need somebody else to just hold these things up while I screw them in, but I'll try to do it by myself first and see how that goes. Overall, I am pretty happy with how they look. You can probably get a better view with this camera than the GoPro would give you. But you can see it does have kind of a textured look to it. And then these are what the little brackets look like with the lock screws inside. So the total for these side skirts was $250. I think the price for the side skirts are like $230. But I bought it on the Memorial Day sale, which I think was like 12% off, and then shipping was $48, which was quite a bit, but it is a pretty long box, so I don't know. It's still expensive though. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, this was just an unboxing and a review of the side skirts from ZL1 add-ons. The next video, I'm actually going to be installing them on the car. I'm going to be driving up on these ramps over here, so I can actually reach under the car and screw all those lock screws so they pinch onto the pinch welds. Anyways, make sure you guys look out for my video next week of the install tutorial on these ZL1 add-on side skirts. And if you like this video or found it entertaining, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some more video suggestions of what you guys would like to see on the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.